Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll swiftly dive into how to use Notion, the all-in-one workspace, as a personal development tool, the complete 2025 guide. First things first, open Notion and create a new page titled Personal Development. This will serve as your main dashboard where you'll manage and track all your growth. The reason we do this is to have all your personal development goals and tasks in one place, making it easy to access and update. Now, let's add a goals table to your page. Click on the plus button, select Table, and give it a title. This table will contain your short-term and long-term goals. Having a visual representation of your goals helps to keep motivation levels high and allows you to track your progress. Once you have your goals table, add columns for deadline, progress, and notes. Deadlines keep you accountable. Tracking progress lets you see how far you've come, and notes provide a space for reflections or obstacles. These elements are crucial for effective goal management. Next up, let's add a habits tracker. Click on the plus button again, select Board, and title it Habits. Here, you can track daily, weekly, or monthly habits aligned with your goals. Each habit gets its own card, which you can move across columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. This helps us because tracking habits reinforces consistency, a key factor in personal development. Let me explain why this matters. By integrating habit tracking into your personal development dashboard, you're not just setting goals, but also creating a roadmap to achieve them. Finally, let's add a learning section. This can be a simple list or a more complex database depending on your needs. You can log books you want to read, courses to take, skills to learn. The learning section is a reminder of your commitment to continuous growth and development. Now that we've done all that, you have a functional personal development dashboard in Notion. This tool will help you set clear goals, develop consistent habits, and commit to lifelong learning, all in one place. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Notion as a personal development tool. Now go ahead, start using Notion, and take the driver's seat in your journey to personal growth. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning,